Hi, everyone. Do you know when to use a and when to use an? Let's learn the difference with easy examples. The rule: we use a before words that start with a consonant sound. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound. What are vowels? The vowels in English are a, e, I, o, u. Remember, it's not about the letter, it's about the sound. Examples with a car, a dog, a house, a banana. Examples with an are an apple, an egg, an orange, an hour, yes, because the H is silent, and an umbrella. Thank you for watching. Now you know when to use a and an. Practice with new words every day. See you in the next lesson.